5 WordPress plugins you should definitely consider to use. Number 1. Yoast SEO.
Yoast SEO is a popular plugin that helps you optimize your website for search engine. This plugin also provides real-time feedback on your content's SEO friendliness, allowing you to make improvement as you go.
Number 2. WP Forms.
WP Forms is a user-friendly content from plugins that allows you to create custom contact forms for your website.
Number 3. WP Rocket.
WP Rocket is a premium plugin that helps you speed up your website. This plugin also offers lazy loading, which means your image will only load when they become visible on the screen. It reduces page load times.
Number 4. Jetpack.
Jetpack is a powerful plugin that offers range of features, including website security, performance optimization, backups, and others.
Number 5. Elementor.
Elementor offers a healthy balance between built-in templates and page creation from scratch, so that you can create a page that is a true reflection of your brand.